just thought I would do a mindfulness moment for you to get the day off to a good start. Create some space for yourselves. I'll take a little verse for you. So I'll choose a verse, shuffle and choose a verse, and it's just something for you to sit with the words, see how they resonate for you, reflect and take that with you moving forward throughout the day ahead. You can focus on the flame of the candle, breathe in, breathe out with the words to help give yourself the headspace and the hold space for yourself in whatever way you need. Let's see what comes out today. Reflect and grow, for it's time to let go. Reflect and grow, for it's time to let go. Maybe you need to create some space for yourself today. Every day is a new day, isn't it? And it's good not to carry through things from the day before and to start afresh. So if there's something you need to let go of today, maybe go for a walk. Regardless of the weather, as long as it's not stormy, be safe obviously. Can learn a lot from being in nature. And I know it's not autumn at the moment, but when the seasons change and the leaves on the trees change and fall away, they show us how gracefully they do that in the letting go. So I feel like that's part of the message for you. Maybe you need to clear your head. So go for a walk if you need it. Enjoy nature. And just make some time for yourself today. It's a busy time of year for a lot of people. Yeah, so that's what I've got for you today. I hope you found it useful. Maybe you needed to hear this today. I'll come back to you with some more verses. I might even start doing affirmations as well. I think I'll do a little bedtime affirmation, seeing as the whole dream thing is my thing. So if you're interested in that, come back for more. If you've liked this, come back for more. I'd love to have you here. So I hope this has helped you. Have a lovely day wherever you are. I'm not sure what time of day it is when you're getting this, but I hope it helps you in whatever way you needed today.